Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. I'm getting ready to go on a 7-day cruise on the Norwegian Getaway. So I just thought I'd take a quick moment and run through some of the things that I bring on as my carry-on for embarkation day. It's going to be different from everybody else, but this is just what I bring. So hopefully this will just give you a few tips on what you might want to consider. So I bring this backpack. It's made by SwissGear. I have my sanitizer and a watch on here. I'll also use this as my shore excursion bag. You want to know what time it is, like I said in earlier videos. Don't go by your iPhone or your Android. The ship's time is the ship's time, so you do not want to miss the ship. Next up, my travel wallet here with my passport identification. I have a pen in here. You're going to need a pen, and I'll have all my papers in here also. First aid kit with some medicine and pills in here. Don't think you're going to get on the ship and go, oh, I forgot my pills, let me go down to my room. It might take 2 to 3 hours before it gets down there, so make sure you have your medicine on there with you. Next, some towel clips so your towel doesn't blow away up there. My beverage cup. This is made by Mybevi. It's kind of like the Yeti, but a little bit cheaper. Their slogan is, when it's hot, and when it's cold, it's cold. So these are really good. Next is my power pack for my iPhone or iPad, along with a lightning cable. Sunscreen. This is made by Kiss My Face. This is a really good sunscreen. A hat and sunglasses. I can't remember if I already said that, but hat and sunglasses, really important. I have my lanyard along with my iPhone waterproof case. I don't put my iPhone in here. I usually put my ship's card in here because I use my GoPro for all my photography. Bathing suit and a change of clothes. And I guess that is it. So hopefully these tips helped you. And I think that's really it. Is that what I said? All right. And on that note, traveler out.